Add Worcestershire sauce, amber beer, chopped garlic, a bay leaf, some chopped rosemary, Cajun seasoning, lots of cracked black pepper, and some hot sauce to a large sauté pan. Then swirl it around, bring it up to a boil, and add some nice big Gulf shrimp in their shells along with some sliced lemons, and then toss everything around to coat. Cover and simmer for a few minutes until the shrimp are just cooked through, and then season it with a little bit of salt, add some lemon juice, and an obscene amount of unsalted butter. Look, I know it's a lot, but that's what makes this dish so good. Stir it around until the butter is fully melted, then sprinkle with some chopped parsley and scallions over the top, then dish it up into bowls, garnish with more herbs, and serve it immediately with lots of crusty French bread for sopping up all that buttery, spicy sauce.